Pero bago yan,
Here we go.
tayo sa mga Swifties. Sino ba mga family Taylor Swift dito sa audience fan o sa ating mga bisita dito? I'm saying this because our question is about Taylor Swift. Here's
Wow!
Hindi nakapagtatakang sikat si Taylor Swift kasi siya ay black. Go! Nati.
Magaling kumanta.
Ha?
Magaling pumunta na sa bayan.
Wow! Nice one!
Sir, Taki, pass or play? Play. Alright, balik
Play!
tayo. Let's play the final round. Chanty, hindi nakapagtataka sikat si Taylor Swift kasi siya ay black.
Talented songwriter.
Okay.
Guys, ang talented songwriter.
Nice one, princess.
Nandiyan ba yan? Wala.
Sayang. Kung may
Hindi
talented singer,
nakapagtataka
talented
sikat si Taylor
songwriter.
Swift kasi siya ay
Performer? Tama!
Okay.
Pwede yan?
Okay.
Good answer.
Ano ba ang kanta ni Taylor Swift ang gusto mo?
Love story. Kasi nung bata ko, sobrang LSS ako doon. Nung
Sa love story.
Lagi siya
Love
nasa
story.
Nice. I love that story.
Pero di ba sabi mo gusto mo
Parang familiar talaga yung love story ni Taylor Swift. Although I'd never heard about it.
El, hadal na. This is your chance, Team Jeffrey. El,
Yes.
hindi nakapagtatakang sikat si Taylor Swift kasi siya ay
Maraming fans. Paano ka magiging sikat kung wala kang fans? Tama? Tama!
Tama.
Parang that question's about why
Pero
Taylor
bakit
Swift is
El ang,
famous.
pangalan natin?
I think.
Is it a shortcut for a longer name?
Yes po. Kasi po yung last name ko po is 11. Number 11.
Weh!
Yes.
Kaya medyo mahaba po kasi yung 11, kaya L na lang po.
Si El. That's the nickname mo na yun.
Opo.
Pero sa ID, ano talaga yung first name mo?
Vincent po.
Vincent. Pwede bang V din tawag sa'yo? V.
Pwede naman, kaso baka mapagkamalan niyo po ko yung BTSD.
Eh!
Tama naman. Pero alam mo, kasagot talaga practical eh. Natural, maraming fans. Kaya sikat siya. Nandyan ba ang maraming fans? Wala.
Wale! Now it's time to
Alright,
see
here we go. 216
Sam
points.
Show.
One correct answer, that's all we need. Hindi nakakapagtatakang sikat si Taylor Swift. Kasi siya ay
Maganda.
Sam. Dahil
May pulang lipstick.
may pulang lipstick. Specific. At may nulal sa likod ng batok. Meron. Jeffrey. Sexy. Sexy.
Weh!
May nunal, sexy, Geneva. Hindi nakapagtatakang sikat si
Who's
Taylor
Geneva?
Swift.
I don't even know who that lady is.
Dahil siya ay blank. Ano kaya to? 3 seconds.
Maganda.
Maganda!
Yan! Suwabe naman yung sagot! Dahil maganda si Taylor. Wait a sec. Did someone say that?
Ang tanong, nagaganda.
Parang someone said that na eh.
Ang mga tinanong natin ang ating survey, for the win, is it there?
Meron nga! Akala ko sabi ko, wala dyan eh. Dahil meron sinabi na eh.
Number 4, please. Mabait sa fans. Iba yung maraming fans kasi yun ang result na mabait sa fans. Kaya maraming fans. And finally, number 3.
Whoa!
Ang ating final score, Jeffrey, 354 points.
Sayang talaga, Princess Shanty. Wala ka sa jackpot, pero okay lang yun.
And maraming salamat.
At least you had fun, Princess.
Shanty, thank you very much. Nabuhay pa rin kayo ng 50,000 pesos. And of course, team,
And I want to see that Sam Show with the fast money. Yeah! We're gonna get to the fast money. And I, Sam Show, will wait.
okay
Yay!
Mas maganda yung ganun, lalo na pupunta tayo sa fast money. So Jen, sino-sino pupunta doon? I need 2 players for the final round.
Definitely si Glenda. Yung isa. Jeffrey, ikaw na.
Okay, it's gonna be Jeffrey and Glenda. Naku,
Wala si Sam. Pero okay lang yan.